Hello student, welcome everyone. Welcome to today's session. In today's session we will discuss our exercise, that is exercise 9.2 from our NCERT book of 8th class. Okay, so we were discussing algebraic expression and identities, and with introduction we have discussed our first exercise. Now our second exercise, that is exercise 9.2. In this exercise we have to find the product. Product means we have to multiply the given terms. So here question number first is we have to find the product of the following monomials. Okay, for the following monomials we have to find the products. So monomials means they are having one term. So for finding the product, what we have to do, we have to multiply the variable together and the constant together. So in this first question, what we are doing, just see here, we are having two terms, that is 4 and 7p. So we are multiplying the variable together, that is p, and we are multiplying the constant together, that is 4 into 7. So 7 4s are 28 and p is as it is. In question number first, we are having only one variable. Just check out one more example where we are having two or more variables. Just see the fourth part. In this fourth part, we are having variable as p, q and p. Then we are having constant as 4 and minus 3. So we will multiply constant together, that is minus 3 and with 4. And what we will multiply? We will multiply p cube and p. So when we multiply minus 3 and 4, we are getting minus 12. And when we are multiplying p cube and p, okay, when we are multiplying the same variable, what happens? The powers are added. Okay, if p is multiplied by p cube, then powers are added. For p cube power is 3, for p power is 1. So both power will be added, means power will be 4. So what the result we are getting? Minus 12p to the power 4. So simply we have to multiply. Okay, just see the second question. In the second question, the question is we have to find out the area. Okay, we have to find out the area. Area means two terms are given to us, and what we know, that what is the formula for area? It is L into B, length into width. So one term we will assume as L and another one we will assume as B. Okay, so for the first one, just see, when we multiply P and Q, what the result will be? PQ. Same in the second part, 10 will be multiplied by 5, we are finding 50, and M will be multiplied by M, we are finding MN. Okay, and for the adding power, just see the fourth one, 4 into 3, that will be 12. But when x is multiplied by x square, just see, we have added the power. For x power is 1, for x square power is 2. So we are adding 1 to 2, and what we are getting? We are getting x to the power 3. So our result is 12x to the power 3. So similarly we will solve rest of the question of question number 2. Okay, now have a look to our third question, that is a table is given to you and you have to complete the table. Okay, table of product means you have to find the multiplication. Whenever there is a term product, in that case you have to find out the multiplication. So just see, we are having two monomial, one monomial this side and another polynomial that one, row and column. So when we multiply it, how we will multiply? This 2x is with 2x and we have to fill this space. Again minus 5y and 2x, 3x square and 2x. So this way we will complete this column. Again we will multiply this minus 5y with these terms, then 3x square with these terms. So just see the solution so that the things are clear to you all. For example, 2x multiplied by 2x, we are getting 4x square. Okay, if 2x is multiplied by minus 5y, so 2 5s are 10 and xy. Okay, 2 is multiplied by 3, 6 and x square is multiplied by x, that is x cube. So similarly, we will complete rest of the table. Simply what we have to do, we have to multiply the given monomials. Okay, now see our question number 4. What our question number 4 is, we have to find the volume. So what the formula of volume we know? That we have to multiply L, B and H. We have to multiply all these terms for finding the volume. So just see, one you will assume as L, then B, then H. Okay, so volume is LBH. So we will multiply all three terms. So in all these three terms, we try to find out the constant as well as variable. Just see, 5 3s are 15 and 15 7s it is 105. Okay, then a to the power, we will add all the power of a. Okay, in exponent and power also we have done in the previous class, in 7th class, that in multiplication, if base is same, what happens, the powers are added. Okay, the powers are added. So check out the power, 1 and 2, 3 plus 4, it is 7. So what the result we are getting, 105 a to the power 7. Okay, similarly, number of terms will be increased, but the method will be same. We will multiply variable together, constant together, and when we are multiplying the variable, similar variables are there, then we will add them. Okay, add their powers. Just have a look here also. Here it is 1, 2 and 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So here we are having 4. Now count x. How many x are there? 2x, and here we are having 3x, and here also we are having x. Okay, it is misprinted. Just see here the question number 3rd. So 1x and 2 3 and 1 4x. So x to the power 4. And if we count y, 2y, 1y and 1y. So y to the power 4. So in this way we will multiply all this term. Okay, the question will be similar. Now see, here also you have to find the product. Product means multiply. So when you see the question, you can easily find out the answer for it. Just on seeing this question, just see. X is 2, so x to the power 2. Y is 2, so y to the power 2. 2z are there, so z to the power 2. Okay, and you have to take care of the minus sign also. For example, in this 5th part, minus is also there. Okay, so minus, how many minus? Only one minus is there. If minus is even, then the result is positive. If minus is odd, then the result is negative. Here only one, means odd minus sign is there. So here we are getting answer as minus. Now count m. 1 2 3m, so m to the power 3, 2n, n to the power 2, and 1p, mp. So we are having the answer minus m cube n square p. It is quite easier. Multiplication or product of monomial, it is quite easier. Just on seeing the question, you can easily find out its answer. Okay, now our next exercise, it is exercise 9.3. Here we are having the pairs, monomials as well as binomial. The term is clear to you all now, but monomial and binomial is monomial with one term, binomial with two terms. Okay, so just see here. We are having 4p and q plus r. So we have to multiply 4p with q plus r. So first of all we multiply 4p with q, then sign as it is, then 4p with r. Okay, just see how 4p multiplied by q, it is 4pq, and 4p multiplied by r, it is 4pr. So this is our answer. If these two are like them, then we will add them. If these are not like them, we can't add them. Okay, one more example let us discuss. For example, this a square minus 9 into 4a. So first of all, we multiply this 4a or this a square with 4a. So 4 will be as it is, and square plus 1, it is a to the power 3. Okay, then minus sign will be as it is because here also plus sign. Then 9, 4 it is 36, and a. This is our answer. Okay, so this is the multiplication of monomial with binomial. Now see our second question, it is complete the table. Same as the previous exercise, we have to multiply. Okay, but here what we have to do, we have to multiply all the terms. All the terms we have to multiply. Okay, just see how we have completed. We have to multiply a with b, c and d. So just see how we have find out the product. First of all, we will have multiply a with b, then sign. फिर a with c, then sign. फिर a with d, then sign. So just see what the result we are getting. AB plus AC plus AD. So that is our answer. Got it? Now see the next one. For example, third we will discuss. We have to multiply P with this term. Okay, so how we will multiply? P with 6P square. So it will be 6P cube. P with minus 7P, it will be 7P square. And P with 5, we know it, that 5p. So similarly we have to do the multiplication, but the pattern of the question will be changed. Okay, here also we have to find the product similarly as the previous exercise. Just count the powers. A, just see 26a, 22a and 2a. When we add all the powers, we are getting a to the power 50, and 4 2s are, we are getting 8. So this is quite easier and simpler as the previous exercise. Okay, now one more important question, it is question number 4 and question number 5 that we need to discuss. We have to simplify it as well as we have to find its value for the given. given value of variable. Okay, simplification is same we have discussed. If you have to simplify them, first of all simplify them. How? 3x will be multiplied by 4x, we are getting 12x square. 3x will be multiplied by 5, we are getting minus 15x. And plus 3 will be as it is. 3x will not multiply by plus 3 because plus 3 it is the another term. Okay, now we have to find the value for x is equals to 3. So we will put 3 instead of x. Okay, x square. If it is x square means 3 square means it will be 9. Okay, 3 square means 3 3s are 9 and 9 12s are it is 108. Here we are having 1 3, then 15 3s are 45 and 3 will be as it is. When we solve it, here is our result. Okay, here two values are there. For x is equals to 3 and for x is equals to half. For both we will find the different result. Okay, here instead of x what we have put? We have put the half and we get our answer. Okay, so similarly we will solve the second part. Now see the fifth part. In fifth part we have to add and subtract. This addition and subtraction we have discussed in our previous session also, in exercise 9.1 also, but here what is the change? Here you have to do the multiplication also. Okay, because the term here is in the multiplication. Just see how we have solved the first part. First of all, we will open this bracket, we will multiply it. Just see, p will multiply by p, p square. P is multiplied by q, minus pq. Same, q is multiplied by q, q square. Q is multiplied by r, minus qr. Okay, when we find all the statement, then we find out whether there are like terms or not, and then we add or subtract them. Okay, just see one more example. One more question regarding subtraction. In subtraction also we will do the same. We will write the second term first. Okay, we will write second term first, then we will write the first term. And what I have told you, you have to put the minus sign here. What you have to put? Minus sign. And this should be in bracket, so there it is easier for you to identify that you have to open the bracket and you have to change the sign. If you will not put bracket here, you will forget to change the sign and your answer will be wrong. Okay, just see. 4l will multiply by 10n, we are getting 40ln. Okay, similarly we are getting all the solution. Now we will open the bracket. Opening the bracket, we will change the sign. Now find out the like term. Here like term is 40ln and 12. Okay, sorry, it is 40ln and minus 15ln. And 12 lm and 12 lm will be cut out, cancel out because both are same, 0. And 8l square minus 3l square, we are getting plus 5l square. So here we are getting like term. If we are not getting like term, whatever our answer is our answer. But when we are getting like term, in that case we have to solve it and find out the last answer. If we write only this one is not the complete answer. We have to find out the like term and we have to solve it. Okay, so this is all regarding your exercise 9.1 and 9.2 and 9.3. I think with the help of this video you can complete your exercise. So just complete your exercise. Take care. Thank you.